When checking the hall sensor of a fuel-injected motorcycle, especially for silent start models, there is actually a quick way to test it. First, prepare a battery, our T100 PLUS, the Bluetooth control module, E002T, and the main cable C003. How do we connect them? First, connect the positive and negative terminals of the battery. Then connect the E002T to the Bluetooth control module. After that, connect the C003 main cable. Then connect the power cable 6030 to the power port of C003. Now the Bluetooth control module and E002T are powered on. At this time, we only need to find the hall sensor connector on the motorcycle. This motorcycle is Yamaha, so we select the matching connector. After connecting, if you test it on the motorcycle, you don't need a magnet. You only need to rotate the magnetic rotor, and it can detect the signal. If we test it outside the motorcycle, just prepare a magnet and slide it here. Now let's start the operation. Select Extended Function. Choose E002. Click Sensor, then select Hall Sensor. For this one, it is Yamaha, so select Yamaha. If it is Honda, select Honda. This one is Yamaha, so select Yamaha and enter. After connecting, click OK. At this time, the main screen will show the UV and W phase hall signals. +1 crankshaft hall signal. When checking the data, we only need to watch the off status change. When you rotate the magnetic rotor, it is the same as sliding a magnet. You can see the status changes to on. Rotate it a little, and it will show different status. If the data changes alternately, it means the 4 hall sensors are working normally. If one hall sensor at a certain position does not work, that hall sensor is faulty. So when rotating the magnetic rotor, all 4 hall sensors should be displayed, and their statuses should change accordingly. This is the hall sensor testing method. Thanks for watching.